I really don't understand how some of y'all still in business. If the customer wanted a third brake light backup camera, you should have found a backup camera that replaces the third brake light, not take this cube style camera and drill some self-tapping screws into the actual truck. Now we have 2 holes, and some of that double-sided stick tape that was on the bottom of this cube backup camera is taking off some of the paint right here. This piece is made of fiberglass, so this is going to need to be patched or replaced. You got the cable going straight through the brake light, which means that that wire is going to be pinched, and if there's any type of water that come down in here, you remove the grommet, so the water is going to go right in there and it's going to soak into the headliner. And as I'm taking this out, I was about to give you props by actually going through the boot until I found out that you cut this much off of the boot to get that going in through there. You just went in through here. All that is going to be pinching this wire up against the bare metal of the car, causing this to short circuit. Why did you hot glue or RCA right here on the corner? Not only that, there's no protection on it, no split loom, no braided sleeving. This cable is just hanging down. It's not zip tied to any type of factory loomed wiring. No protection. This thing could get snagged on something. This is an accident waiting to happen. That same RCA cable is coming through a bare metal hole right here in the floor because you popped the grommet out, so this can be rubbed up against this. And you have the RCA cable pinched between the freaking parking brake. That couldn't have been working anyway.